Got an application that's frozen or refusing to close? You can use Command Prompt to stop a running process without opening Task Manager. In this guide, I'll show you how to find the correct process, stop it by name or process ID, and avoid accidentally ending the wrong task. Let's get started. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt. Right-click the result and choose Run as Administrator. Approve the user account control prompt. Some processes require elevated permissions to stop, so using an administrator window gives you the best chance of completing the task. Before stopping anything, you need to identify the correct process. Type tasklist and press Enter. This displays running processes along with their names and process IDs, or PIDs. Find the application you want to close and note its exact process name or PID. If the list is too long, use findstr to search for a specific process. For example, tasklist, pipe, findstr notepad searches for processes containing the word notepad. This makes it much easier to locate the correct process. Yeah, always verify the result before trying to stop it. Once you've confirmed the PID, use the taskkill command. Type taskkill/PID followed by the process ID. For example, taskkill/PID1234. Windows should report whether the process was successfully terminated. Use a real PID from your own system instead of the example number. You can also stop a process by its executable name. Use taskkill/im followed by the image name. For example, taskkill/im notepad.exe. This can be convenient when you know the exact executable name but don't want to look up the PID first. If a process doesn't respond to a normal termination request, you can use the /f option to force it to close. For example, taskkill/f/im notepad.exe. Be careful with this option because unsaved work can be lost. Never force close an important system process unless you know exactly what you're doing, and that's how to stop a process using CMD. Find it with tasklist, confirm the PID or process name, then use taskkill carefully. Start with a normal termination and use /f only when necessary. So next time an app gets stuck, you'll have a quick command line option to close it.